In this video, we're going to see how teachers can help learners learn about patterns by using Paraphrase. We want to encourage learners to be flexible in the way they express themselves and find the best way to say something in context. And we're going to use the fact that many words have more than one pattern, so they can be used in more than one way. For example, the word evidence can be followed by of, evidence of widespread fraud, by for, evidence for just one black hole, by that, evidence that stress is responsible for disease, or by a to infinitive, evidence to support this theory. We might give learners the prompt: a volcano in Iceland may have erupted in 1250, causing widespread famine. And we may ask the learners to rewrite this using the word evidence in different ways. So they can write, there's some evidence that a volcano in Iceland erupted in 1250, or they can write, they found evidence of a volcanic eruption. Now notice here that they've had to change the verb, erupted, into a noun, eruption. Or they can rephrase it so that they end the sentence with no evidence for this. Some people say a volcano erupted, but there's no evidence for this. Or with a to infinitive, there's no evidence to suggest the volcano erupted on that date. The next example is using the verb persuade. This can be used with a noun and a to infinitive, persuaded me to accompany him. It can be used with into, persuaded my dad into letting me have a season ticket, or just with a noun phrase, the documentation persuaded him, or with a that clause, persuaded Mrs. Tennant that it's time she retired, or with of, Derek persuaded me of the feasibility of the idea. And we give the learners a little story prompt. I didn't want to cheat in the exam. My friend argued it would be a good idea and we would not get caught. In the end, I agreed. And we can ask the learners to write this using the word persuade in all the different patterns. My friend persuaded me to cheat in the exam. My friend persuaded me into cheating in the exam. My friend's arguments persuaded me. My friend persuaded me that cheating in the exam would be easy and worthwhile. Or my friend persuaded me of the advantages of cheating. More information about grammar patterns is available on this channel, or go to the grammar section of collinsdictionary.com.